Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and today we've got an audio system demo of the 2020 BMW M2 Competition and its 12-speaker, 360-watt Harman Kardon audio system. This is going to be an in-depth review. We're going to listen to some sample tracks, check out how the audio system works, get out on the road, listen to those tracks while we're rolling. I'll give you my thoughts at the end. Before we get started, let's hop out and take a quick look at the vehicle. So this is BMW's Ultimate M Coupe. Aside from the M2 CS. Got it here in Esteril Blue, rocking its 405 horsepower, 406 pound-foot torque, turbocharged motor. It's an absolute treat. I love this little car. If you want to see more on it, hit that subscribe button. Check out our full review. Now, I always do these tests with uncompressed, lossless WAV audio files on a USB drive plugged directly into the audio system and high-quality binaural microphones in both of my ears, giving you the most realistic audio system experience possible on YouTube. We also do them with the factory default audio settings. Let's go check those out now. Here in the M2, you've got treble, bass, front, rear, left, right, balance, and fader, and that is it for adjustments. Let's sample the treble and bass now. Now, as I said before, this system does feature 12 speakers. Let's go through and take a look at speaker grill locations now. I say that because some systems hide multiple speakers behind one grill. 1, 2. Boy, the car is really not happy that it wasn't in park. There we go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back. We got 6, 7 in the deck. Doesn't look like any in the door sills. And then you got subwoofer back here. So there's definitely some speakers hiding in locations that we can't quite see, but the overall impression is that there are 12. For audio inputs in the M2, you've got your standard AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, 2 USB-A ports, Bluetooth, lacking Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, so none of those there in the M2. No 3.5mm auxiliary input jack either, but you do have a CD player. For ways to control the system, you can either touch the screen, or you can use this center rotary knob that works very well. It's one of my favorite rotary knob systems. For volume control, you've got a good volume knob right here, nice detents, as well as buttons on the steering wheel. Track selection, you can use these buttons up here. You can also use the touch screen as you saw me do, the rotary knob, or use this little rotary knob on the steering wheel to cycle through your playlist. Kind of a nice way to do that. All right, let's start the car up and get on the road. This song will really test out the bass, so I'll pump it all the way up for you savages. Overall, pretty satisfying bass note. Not getting too much mirror shakeage, but I am feeling it in my seat quite a bit. In fact, it almost makes me wonder if there are speakers under the seat. That would make sense. Now, for frequent viewers of our channel, you know this next sound can really test the limits of an audio system. So let's see how the M2's Harman Kardon handles it. Pretty satisfying sound coming through there. I'm getting good satisfying lows, I'm getting good high ends. Nothing feels or sounds muddled. It's overall pretty good, crisp sound. Wrapping up my thoughts on the 12-speaker Harman Kardon here in the BMW M2 competition. I'm pretty satisfied. Harman Kardon systems are usually mixed quite well. They've got good highs, good lows, and just a good satisfying blend of all of them. And this system continues that tradition. There's nothing super remarkable about an intense amount of clarity or punch or power, but for this level of vehicle, kind of this price point, this class, and sort of what this vehicle is meant to do, and the size of it, I think they did a really good job. Objectively speaking, system overall, I would give it about an 8. The sound is good, it's easy to use. The only things that it's really missing are a 3.5mm input jack would be nice, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. I suppose I could even see dropping its rating down to 7.5 just because of that lack of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Other than that, though, it's pretty darn good. Subjectively speaking, for sort of a performance coupe like this, I'd definitely be giving it an 8. It's a little bit pricier of a car than some of its competition. However, I think the sound really sounds good for what they're able to do. If you guys like this video, please hit that subscribe button, check out our other M2 content, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.